Hello, everyone. This is Chuck with Scott at Work podcast, and it looks like my shirts came in actually a day early, so I'm going to film an unboxing as I show. The shirt pull is still open. There's the web address for it. For those on viewing this video in areas where, or on the platforms that I can't post the link directly, on YouTube, the link will be in the notes. So we'll cut the tape. And open the box. There is the diamond logo. Basically on the left chest area. And the sign. So again, go to that website. Basically, I'd shorten the link to make it easier to type in. bit.ly 3R105 capital C, small c. And that should take you right to the poll.